Potol Bhog or chal potol is a traditional Bengali vegetable delight known for its mild taste and sweet aroma. Hello everyone, this is Madhvi and you are watching Mady's Nutri-Delish with Mama's Touch. The main ingredient of this recipe is Gobindobhog rice. If you do not have Gobindobhog rice, you can use any fragranced rice available in your locality. For this recipe, I have also taken pointed gourd cut into halves, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and few green chilies. Once the oil gets heated, add in parval or potol. One day I simply wanted to make potol bhaja, but due to lack of time, accidentally I made it potol bhog. I wonder just 2 ingredients can mingle to give such a beautiful flavor. This recipe requires no spices, but you need to be graceful to prepare this recipe. Now add in turmeric powder, season it with salt and sugar to taste. Firstly, you have to cook it on high flame for 5 minutes so that the raw smell goes off, and then cover and cook for more 5 minutes till it get 50% cooked. When we fry pointed gourd or potol, it releases a sweet smell. Once the veggies gets half cooked, I am adding in half cup of Gobindobhog rice, nicely washed and clean. Give it a nice mix, reducing the flame to its lowest. Cover and cook for more 10 minutes. Occasionally flip it and stir it till it turns golden and get nicely cooked from both sides. 10 minutes later, open the lid and let's check. The veggies are 80% cooked. Look at those short grains, they look glassy and have released all its sweet aroma. Now add in required amount of water so that the vegetables get just immersed into it. Nicely mix it and cook it on high flame till the water comes into a rolling boil. As you can see, the water has come to a rolling boil. Now cover and cook it for more 5 to 7 minutes till the rice and veggies gets completely cooked. Stir it time to time so that the rice do not get stick to the bottom. You can see everything is nicely cooked and it looks quite thicker. If required, cover and cook for more 2 minutes till the water dries up completely. Mix it nicely. You can see they look so tempting and are full of flavors. Lastly, garnish with some ghee. And my delicious potol bhog is ready to serve. You can serve it with luchi, puri, roti or rice. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to press the bell icon for new video updates. See you soon with another recipe. Till then, stay fit and stay healthy. Bye bye.